Hello, hi friends. My name is Jinisha Jain. I will say about Rama. Ramu, father mother, their two sons, Ramu and Samu. Ramu, Samu, come and have your medicine. But it is very, very bitter, Mom. Can we after food, Mom? No, Mr. Padan, our family doctor has said that this medicine has to take on in empty stomach.